Hello everyone, my name is Anna, and today I will tell you the difference between Ukrainian and Russian languages. This video will be useful for people who already knows one of this language and would like to learn another, or for people who would like to study both languages. Alphabet. In Ukrainian and Russian languages, there are the same number of the letters, 33 letters. Some of them are the same, but there are also some differences. Let's compare some of the letters. Russian E and Ukrainian E. This is different letters, but have the same pronunciation. Or the same situation with Russian E and Ukrainian E. Russian E and Ukrainian E. Russian Ye and Ukrainian Ye. Russian Yo doesn't exist in Ukrainian alphabet. Ukrainian Ye doesn't exist in Russian alphabet. Russian G also exists in Ukrainian alphabet, but this letter we use not often. Ukrainian H, something between G and H. H doesn't exist in Russian alphabet. And hard sign doesn't exist in Ukrainian alphabet. Instead of this, we have apostrophe. For example, the word объект, object. Pronunciation. There are a lot of pronunciation rules in Russian language. Sometimes we write and read differently. For example, молоко in Russian language, молоко in Ukrainian language. Сегодня, сьогодні. Що, що. Конечно, звичайно. Учиться, вчитися. Щастя, щастя. Of course, some rules also exist in Ukrainian language, but pronunciation is easier. Usually we write and read in the same way. Adjectives. There are two forms of the qualitative adjective in Russian language. Short and long. In Ukrainian, there is just one form. But with feminine and neuter gender, it sounds like short form, and in masculine gender, it sounds like long form, if compared with Russian language. For example, Russian word свободный in masculine, свободная, свободная. This is long form. In short form, it will be свободен, свободна, свободна. In Ukrainian language, for example, вільний in masculine gender, вільна, вільне. Cases. In Russian language, there are 6 cases. In Ukrainian, 7, plus vocative case. There are some situations when we use the same thing, but in different cases. Verb. Verb infinitive has 3 types of the ending in Russian language. Тю, ти, and ч. For example, читать, нести, помочь. In Ukrainian language, just one ending. Ти. Читати, нести, допомогти. The ending in conjugation has some difference too. In past tense, the verbs also have different ending in Ukrainian and Russian, especially for masculine gender. For example, the verb читать in Russian and читати in Ukrainian. In past tense for masculine gender, it will be читал, читав. There exist perfective and imperfective verbs in both languages. But interesting if to make future tense, in Russian language there are 2 forms, simple, from perfective verb, and compound, with verb to be, and imperfective infinitive. For example, verb читать, simple future, this is я прочитаю, compound future, я буду читать. In Ukrainian language, there are 3 forms of future. Simple, from perfective verb, compound, with verb to be and imperfective infinitive, and also simple, but from imperfective verb with additional ending. For example, word читати, simple, я прочитаю, compound, я буду читати, another simple, я читатиму. Words. I showed you some examples with the similar words of both languages, but there are a lot of different words. A lot of Russian words doesn't exist in Ukrainian language and opposite. It seems the Ukrainian language is simpler, but this language has a lot of synonyms. In general, in Russian language, about 195,000 words. In Ukrainian language, 256,000 words. I'm waiting for your questions in the comments, and if you are interested in some topic of any of these languages, write me in comments. And tell me please, which language are you interested in, Ukrainian or Russian? Please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and you will know more. See you!